Ebusi ajeta e monchimanka hawe ne so. Kwamba fa Abronye bro na pipi chairman. Abronye Dc o se onte ase. Ohwe sene EOCO Boss. Esi intimidate Shatta Wale. O se nyanse bia ni. Onte ase deba de na Shatta Wale ya ntino. Ene ni akwachi no echina ni akwachi ni retain no. Ene yes boy say ni abefa no o se onte ase Mahama asheda. Anoma EOCO. Intimidate Shatta Wale. Abronye abe classmate Mahama ene EOCO Boss. Raymond Archer. No akeka na adwempa e da chiro mu mi no. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no and my subscribe button. It's not by clicking notification icon for latest updates. I'm bachelor wa adwa mama. E will comment as mess was obaswa. No achieve no process enya bi ahwe. It is 6 August no. Day na helicopter e crash e ma omanebo ama eni Mutra Muhammad ewu ye no. That na ba say Shatta Wale EOCO for abeche no. Ani nyina ne say Lamborghini yellow na owo no. Omu chim say a stolen car from USA. It omu ko chire. Ama that day de omu ja Wale so onko omu anche no. But omu kwaje car no ediba omu asweye. Emma later Wale kura no say was probably another Lamborghini abaho or the Lamborghini for Abagana what I say or for Aba or the buyer na ade chinye and who say EOCO for as akwachi Wale mine and na first Lamborghini yellow no case na just almost omra na omechire say omo answer to some questions am call no omo echi no etum editing no am omo man some bail condition so meet dia next omo ja no na okọ bail condition no na 10 million Ghana city is Ghana 100 billion with 2 sureties. Obi a yeso wato stolen car. Makofa car na diako. But oba so masa china tumu car nyo no ko wi aye wato. Wa chira ma detain say ontua 100 billion. What I say? Emma Wale 8 meet be condition Emma omuja no. Na eno ana Abronye hwedi no se da bi ade we yankwase asem. Abronye hwedi no se da ade na ekoso no. Sebe yankwase asem total foolishness.
Braggers na wusia omo a wo ma wo musika no. You told the bloggers say they should defend you on the Shatta Wale arrest now. Ukwati Shatta Wale no. And a woman EOCO staff for move from one radio station to another. Yabatrechim. PR na uye nyina no. Yet yasiye. And to Shatta Wale no. And a man for who say, even will not be now we are national security position no who say Shatta Wale arrest no ever fatal. And two frasier say, as I said, bloggers yeden ebum. And the bloggers and I say bloggers may defend the arrest so you gave them money about 50 bloggers you gave them 10,000 Ghana cedis each to defend you on the Shatta Wale arrest now yes usia bloggers you pay them 10,000 Ghana cedis say woman defended the arrest now on Shatta Wale now me be okay near the kind my letter. South Shatta Wale car ye stolen car. And to watching. Now, every night for and I treasure abe who say Shatta Wale car no a stolen car. Near the kind. Every eye for woman wants a car be a stolen car. Woman the letter. Ebe bo man Ghana. Edi abrewu EOCO Boss no say. Car way ye stolen car. No mo de letter na abrewu EOCO Boss no. Sisi amene mo kasai no. There is no evidence. Say FBI for at the letter bre EOCO Boss say Shatta Wale car no a stolen car.
Hey.
Ebi ni wasa.
Hey.
Me ma wiase ni babia. Onya TV the evidence show koduru say. FBI for emfa letter ma Ghana emre remo acha oye EOCO Boss say Shatta Wale car no a stolen car.
Continue.
A remo acha on his own motion in a diabolic way. And a kwati Shatta Wale say, FBI for say, ne car ni a stolen car. And ordinary shame. Shatta Wale duru EOCO honom na no ana okatre Shatta Wale say Shatta Wale nka say ka na oyusu no kwabna dubu ahe ena to ka no ye den ema no sama ba bi asem ni firi kwabna dubu ahe ya na remoacha edi Dominica nyine kwoto asemu ekwa listing 40 something properties say kwabna dubu ahe ana akwa sa properties na bra no ye director general national signal bri honom no na chirei ono drafty you see Dr. Nyine press conference no de ba bonten listing sa properties ni nyina no enya nyine na drafting sa press conference no Dr. Nyine was misled by Raymond Acha and on listing properties ni nyina say oye nhwehwemu no kwabna dubo ahe acquired those property through state fund or acquire properties with the state fund in a dubious way. And Nyine GDNT and Okoye press conference and also let's say already they said their remarks drafted press conference in a pepe already ye chire properties now or let's say ye landed properties anyway chire remarks at Detroit actually Dr. Dominic Anyini Samasha Enuntira for some time now no wamo kasa sa properties ni nyina no wamo ntimi kan ho asem ebiem ye misa remoacha ni attorney general department say eyeda mo listed properties say obi acquire sa properties with state fund na mo kwa court no sa niema no bia no enka mo niema mo de kwa court ho enka ho eniema wo mo de kwabla dubu ahigina court no properties o mo list yes abrantie ne de o man ni sika na akwaye edu ye kromfo ne yiri ye sei ne yiri mpe no wasem kwabla dubu ahina so ye ne business dada woni ne yiri ye business no enye nne o ye na dwuma tetetete na o ma ye director general signal brinu kra no na one ne yire into business wanya oba papa ohwe na dwuma so yie ma no entini wo ma dwuma timi ye den grow ntem wo ma dwuma timi grow ye enti eninti se wo no remoacha unya wo yire no na wo yire no ntima nhwe wa dwuma ntinu oba na nkasa koye eja ho koye oba no kware afreda gbesi woyomi eja ho koye because wo ntima anya wa dwuma yie anti kwabna dubu anya bie nyuma no wanya ba papa ma ba na hweso ama businesses na guru a muso owia oman ni sika obia na mu ni asem sa asem na mo kana ya mpa bad mo kwakwoto no sa niema mo de kira mansan sai kwabna dubu anya ne yire ya kromfo na o ma for man ni sika akwa properties we no nyina mo koduru koto wa sa niema ne nyina ayira
Continue seriously.
Ayira but nam samudi kan ye propaganda tire Ghana fonti manfa ne yira na nkokoto manfa kwabna dubu anya nkokoto a amanfo be bisamunti enti by force mugina court ne mo ye nyina so edimochi ye hwemo ne mo ye ne edimochi ye yeden ye hwemo enti wukoma Dominica Nyine wrong info amane be akisu kwabna dubu ahe lesi properties on ne yira kwaya enye sa netie no uwie ye wo pay some link because once you use no office no eno no de ye ode kra luxurious cars de ba o manumu entino Shatta Wale car no momo suspect say kwabna dubu ahe na ye den eto car no ma Shatta enti muti Shatta baya mu beduru ye na no yokofo Remoacha mo mekantre say Shatta buy mo katre Shatta say on kasa this particular car no Kwabena Dubois and a Tomano na Shatta say on one born a braton car EOCO Boss Remoacha e katre asema kwato nyamuo ye no asema yemmo nkrokura nwie ye no Remoacha timi katre Shatta Wale say Kwabena Dubois sinke enti se wanka nokra obema no so asinke bi na Shatta say ma men sinke because Kwabena Dubois nto ka ma me amintimi nkoka se watoka ma me na che say sa asem na mo ka kire Shatta Wale say Kwabena Dubois ne ne yire sinke no edie na judge na ka kire mo Remoacha wo ka kire Shatta Wale say Kwabena Dubois ne ne yire sinke e wo court wo enti se wanka dia mo de ne be fra ama mo nyina sinke together edie na judge no aka kire mo dia fa ayi Kwabena Dubois and others case no Remoacha utim ka kire Shatta Wale say Kwabena Dubois ne ne wife sinke wo court wo enti se wanka nokora mo de ne be ka sinking ship no Yebisa question. Yebisa Remoacha. You told Shatta Wale at the EOCO office say, Kwabena Dubois and the wife no or more sinking. And it's on one can of crank in one free more. War Remoacha out the never can sinking ship no. At the end of judge now, oh dear Semno, I catch them. Media, I am calling on lawyers now, Moody Kwabena Dubois case, you know. Say, woman, Mr. Judge, no questions. Because Remoacha to me catch Shatta Wale. Say, Kwabena Dubois sinking into the one can of credit. Woman didn't be count. And to a more question, say, Kwabena Dubois and a talk on a man or no Shatta. And also Derby. Near the kind producer for Kana to Fakane to obium. Ye ni evidence be a chere say. Saka we da hoy. Aye de chi Shatta Wale to mu no. Stolen car. Me ankasa ma ye menhwehwemu. Me ankasa ma ye menhwehwemu akọ website na. Ewo US every website be a important be ano mawuram. Aye menhwehwemu a eso ma printed document no so ko kafasia uboka no 2019 uboka no 2019 ka chassis number and everything ebe yaba bibi aberen ebe yaba fe now ba results were ni nyina ne say that particular car any stolen car eye car na ye de Shatta Wale tu mu ma de chinye no any stolen car records no nie producer fatoso CMB for documents ni nyina ye den etoso Shatta Wale car no me amadwasu I am a research BBS so called 2 leading website America. Ka bia hu wasem bia no ba ko de bumper ana ba ko de kafas. O pesa ye ka mu nhwehwemu a sa leading ayiwe wo kwa ka bia hu wasem si ya wi aka no de abagana ye de akọ Ivory Coast ye de akọ manfoforo so no ka bia hu wasem bia no uko make request e mo mu email within 1 hour one be finish o ne nyansa wo ka no chassis number and everything wo de ma wo mo ano one be more details say ka we hu wasem ka we hu ni asem me tena se a me call ye no resource wa ba ne say ka na Shatta Wale die ya na no okoda mu no me de chassis number no to dwa Lamborghini for no car no din no. Lamborghini no. Oh, next year SM Toby. Lamborghini. Saya omudi huna yo. Enra manya dade anya sa research ikura na. Sa me bomodena free ase this year kura se me tususu a. Ebeduru next year sa me so metuma Toby. Lamborghini. First ne ehunu se ne namabontena na se de car ne di ni na ye ne esuro se ye betima abisa ne bo kura. But enra me ye hwehwemu no. Oh, ye betususu atobi. Lamborghini. Oh. Ye betususu atobi. Na me ye nhwehwemu no. Documents no me call kafas, me call bumper. Me ye ni nyina no the same chassis number no. Me call bumper 2019 Lamborghini. Omo the resource na ba se car no enye stolen car. Me call kafas 2019 Lamborghini. And also resource no negusu no. Producer ni nyina. Producer nyina ne hu se tie omo che Shatta Wale no. Wo mo che Shatta Wale because of Kwabena Dubois. Because asem na remo acha dada attorney general de court no nanimu ya guase enti opesa pobi e de hohoro ne ho. Enti oheda kwachi Shatta Wale na Shatta Wale be ka se an ofoso Shatta Wale no e ka kire Shatta Wale kura se so di ho agora obema ma expatriate ni de nakọ America ho amoma kodi nasem wo mreko onye bone remo acha se Shatta Wale di agora obema ma expatriate no e de nakọ America ho moma kodi nasem wo mreko one Shatta Wale nto krono de wo mreko aka na ekita Shatta Wale no enye stolen car. All because Remo Acha tried to implicate Kwabena Dubois. Remo Acha is trying to make the case, bad case, say case, make a good case. Until Ochi Shatta Wale because of Kwabena Dubois. And Shatta Wale say, so who evidence say Kwabena Dubois in a talk car na mamia? Who follow evidence, bra? Me, I bought my own car with my own money. But see now, FBI for entry. EOCO for say this particular car a stolen car. Now, President John Mahama Onini Ibrahim Mahama, particularly Ibrahim Mahama, Muntia ni ye. Aya remoacha ti kroma say, remoacha ni oya ni say. Ohun so biti Lazarus car mua. No wa pick a car and chassis number. No wa pick a car and number. No wa ma DVL for pick a car and number. Na DVL for no. A man a car and chassis number. Na remoacha no mum. Atre FBI for ne say, wa hu car bi wa Ghana ha. Na osusu se car ni ye stolen car. Nto omo man sika mfa investigate. Ibrahim Mahama say o tie mi atie ni ye. This is what Remo Acha is doing. President Mahama say o tie mi atie ni ye. Na ise national security for Japana Remo Acha say onim hwi oni certificate no Remo Acha ne betima ye national security work no. Assess the security must investigate the security officer. The security must investigate the security analyst. Because near Remo Acha ye wa Ghana hane say so bitika papa mua. Na Remo Acha na trade dia kwakoma FBI for say ma hu se businessman bi etika papa mu na ono no suspect say car na ye stolen car from America and other country nti wo mo mani sika no mfa investigate until Remo Acha mom and invite FBI for say woman attack Ghana business community a woman fi say wa ye adwuma bla to car papa no Remo Acha mom and invite FBI for say obi te car papa mu a woman mayire no enye FBI for mom ene tata nkrofo etika papa mo na mom ye bisa remoacha say Ibrahim Mahama ka papa egu no fie nyina Lazarus Kasia egu fie honoma ebinom wo ha yem register ye no da ben na remoacha wo betwere akọ FBI for so mom ahwehwem remoacha ye bisa say Kasia egu Ibrahim Mahama fie honom no da ben na obetwere akoma FBI for say wo mom ahwehwem because Ghana for mukita car kesia Lazarus cars wo kroma no wo na afre FBI for say wo ma support na investigate wo mreko FBI for mfre wo no wo timi frɛ wo because wo be ma osika because the moment you call them no they fund the baba now they are yes adwuma no and you have been getting money from that say Ghana near to 50 ton car na EOCO Boss wa frɛ FBI for say mahun said this particular car will beat him and mo meka no ho ne investigate onya from a omo de sika ba omo de fans ba no watena so no ye nhwehwemu enti ebisa say Ibrahim Mahama kasia kesia egu fie honom no da ben na remoacha wo twira akọ na me wia me ka kire Ghana fo a mo yusu ka kesia say anytime bia mo ka ho be ba asem no emfa wani brankogu FBI na fo so eye remoacha na twere ekomo mo ebesi nei se remoacha fi say FBI fo ena twere ne say o investigate Shatta Wale kana on fa letter ne kire Ghana fo on fa letter no FBI for treba ye say Shatta Wale car no ye stolen car and to no remoacha to investigate no on fa letter nkyere bibi sa ni ho ayo noa on his own motion and odidi sansem hunu na se ne wa ye nie one blogger bi ahihye adwuma na blogger no ye small boy omo friend no wicked blogger. You see, adia we bia oya na adanku media. Ene adorable nom sa blogger no a me kana semu no. Ye bie pay YouTube page no. Be ya 1 month nie enipa miensa pe na mo follow omo. Adanku media nom any 2 others. Na blogger ni dindi wicked blogger aye remoacha ne shasie na omo ma life say the make your life say ma unhum yo omo ye voice over and omo ye na omo ye voice over na wo mo ne ko fansem ni nyina ba say wo mo suspect say Kawe, onono remoacha ye no operations wia. No the information am a wicked blogger for no. Na wicked blogger for na publish say. This particular car ewa ha. Na wicked blogger ne di abase o. FBI for identify car bi wo Ghana ha na car no eye stolen car. And to be fine, son and nipa no beka jano, na wicked blogger na dikana guna nimase. And to remoacha no beka so information in the crowd there, ewo YouTube ma publish that say car no ye stolen car. And to call ye na no, not the information natural say. You see, one say a news no crack on international level. Wouldn't say Yadi cannot publish it. Sakana ye stolen car. And the FBI for na ye omadjuma and ye remoacha. Sa wicked blogger we. A ye una create YouTube account no. A ye una muna create. And I must identify Ghana for mu yusu car papa. Na blogger wicked blogger na ye day. Can wasem. And the Ghana sikafua mo free asia to talk asia kesia biano. Me catch them on say FBI for enka asem akɔwia kaw na mo remoacha na ya ɔtwerɛ ɔmo se remoacha se me boa just one letter pe concerning the Shatta Wale car on release letter no I just say FBI for at the letter brand say Shatta Wale car is stolen car. The seat of the government, National Security Ghana Police, President John Mahama, some person who said remoacha way ditra and now or cano cra catch them say letter a trace FBI for trace Shatta Wale car no a stolen car no on fam letter numero say remoacha betima producer say remoacha betima producer President ultimate producer Mr. President remoacha ultimate producer letter a trace FBI for trace say Shatta Wale car no a stolen car but yes account no so amubi just 2 months ya na mubi account no ana mode yam agenda enti una ma yesi ya hu Lezoros car bi wa ha no ma dia fast ye no ma publish so this car is a stolen car ono ne create sa YouTube account no enti remoacha will say oh information ni ba beto YouTube na FBI for cry publish car no enye FBI for na publish 2 months ago and no create sa wicked blogger Ghana account no na mo ye bibia so mo nya smart mo wie ye no one say o create wicked blogger Ghana account no and all the coffee boat to akwakoto so and all the Dada Joe akwakoto so and all the Shatta Wale num nyina or publish Shatta Wale num die nyina enti every car bia on be identify no this YouTube account no aye remoacha YouTube account or dit one na all damage Ghana for the question is that ben Ibrahim ama card so obema FBI for no so aba follow that ben yeah there one request pay so if we say FBI for indeed as Shatta Wale car no a stolen car magana for nyina won letter na FBI for the bre wo no enye nokore you arrested Shatta Wale because of Kwabena Dubuahe because of kwa say on Shatta Wale diri na wo mo ye money laundry ni ade enti wo pese wa atro na wo ditira attorney general ma a respected lawyer like attorney general no na nimbe guase in the media no o pese o clear ho ana Shatta Wale arrest no so agu wanim ase wo lobby na wo ye for national security boss no so apaja enti se waton krofo so mu nko enko kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ba ye no te ande wo boa ba bia wo befa bia no ye no de ba yeren ye no de ba fe so ye no de ba fe so anti ye ka kyerɛ plane enya plane fa se afa de ye hu niema a wo ye no FBI for crime soma wa wo so ma soma na ye no betena ha anti man ye wadwen sai wo ba betena krom ha wo certificate wontimi nkyerɛkyerɛ akwan na certificate ya twere so UK na nkobi e de master's degree ba na ya twere so UK e de ba be padwuma wo EOCO na obi kita master's degree te sa me ba be padwuma wo EOCO na ma twere so say master's degree UK wo re mo ataka ba fa madwuma
ubet ma kyerɛ wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.